Hello students, welcome to class 11th. This is introduction of class 11 physics. First chapter class 11 physics is physical world. Then today we will discuss about some important points. What is physics? Scope and excitement of physics, physics, technology and society. Now the first chapter is physical world and first topic is what is physics. Then listen very carefully. The word science organized from the Latin word scientia meaning to know, the Sanskrit word vigyan and the Arabic word ilm convey similar meaning namely knowledge. यानी साइंस हमारे पास एक लैटिन वर्ड साइंटिया से आया है और जिसके मीनिंग होता है टू नो अबाउट द क्यूरियस ऑफ अबाउट एनी सब्जेक्ट्स या एनी टॉपिक विच इज रिलेटेड फ्रॉम इट्स नेचर एंड नेचुरल फिनोमिना. संस्कृत वर्ड विज्ञान, जिसका संस्कृत में वर्ड नेम है विज्ञान एंड द अरेबिक में इसको हम लोग इलम के नाम से जानते हैं एंड द सिमिलर मीनिंग ऑफ इलम इज knowledge. Okay student, now then first point is what is physics. Then physics is the branch of science dealing with the nature and natural phenomena. Okay, then about 400 years ago many people believed that they lived it on stationary earth which itself is situated at the century of the universe. The world beyond the solar system was a mystery of that time. The some microscopic domain of atoms and molecules was completely unknown. Now, even a single law of nature was accurately formulated, was Copernican theory of the solar system had been published. Copernicus and similar many scientists are come to know about and discuss about the topic of discuss about many topics which is related from physics. Now in many objects against it there was no science based technology. There was secretly any activity that could be called a science. Mathematics was just in its infancy. Then science is a theory of setup that helps to explain what is science. Science is a theory is a set up that helps to explain a natural phenomena or the behavior of a natural system on the basis of laws of nature. Okay students, now the fields of the physics is mechanics, thermodynamics, relativity, quantum mechanics and electromagnetism. The first point is mechanics. Mechanics is the branch of physics. In this branch we will study the theory of motion of material objects of law speed. Mechanics. Theory of motion of material object of law speed. Second point, thermodynamics. In this branch we will study about heat and temperature. Thermodynamics, heat and temperature. Third point is relativity. Relativity between the nature and the point, या related between the nature and natural phenomena. Okay, nature and motion of high speed particle. Okay, nature and motion of high speed particle related from the relativity. Then the quantum mechanics. Quantum means small particles. Then study of this branch is mechanical behavior of submicroscopic particles, just like electron, proton and neutron. And the last point is electromagnetism. In this branch we will study about electricity, magnetism and electromagnetic relation. Okay students, now the next point is scope and excitement of physics. What is the scope? स्कोप एंड एक्साइटमेंट ऑफ फिजिक्स. फिजिक्स का क्या स्कोप है, क्या इसका एक्साइटमेंट है, तो इसके बारे में देखिए. व्हेन एनी स्टूडेंट, एनी पर्सन having different phenomena in our nature, then always all of स्टूडेंट्स, सभी के मन में एक क्वेश्चन आता है कि ये जो भी हमारे आसपास में, जो भी हमारे पास नियर बाई अबाउट कुछ भी हमारे पास डिफरेंट होता है जो नेचर में, ऐसा क्यों होता है एकदम से, इस तरीके का जो क्वेश्चन हमारे मन में आता है, इसके बारे में हम लोग डिस्कस करते हैं. देन स्कोप एंड एक्साइटमेंट ऑफ फिजिक्स. Many laws of given to explained about this excitements. Wherever the mankind has benefited itself from the discovery made in the field of physics by various scientists, these scientists too has excited movements during the course of discovery made by them. Archimedes was asked why a king to tell about purity of his gold crown. ओके, एक गोल्ड क्राउन का था, तो एक साइंटिस्ट ने आर्किमिडीज से ऐसे पूछा कि हमको किस तरीके से ये पता लगेगा, हाउ कैन वी नो अबाउट दिस गोल्ड, दैट द गोल्ड इज प्योर और नॉट प्योर. देन आर्किमिडीज गिव अ लॉ इज कॉल्ड आर्किमिडीज लॉ. Okay, then law of flotation is the given to purity of gold. Okay students, then scope and excitement of physics में हम लोग ये जानते हैं कि किस तरीके से हमारे पास ये जो भी फिनोमिना हो रहा है वो क्यों और कैसे हो रहा है. क्वांटिटेटिव स्टडी ऑफ वॉट एवर वी ऑब्जर्व इन नेचर टेल्स दैट these observations can be explained and understood in terms of a few laws. Second, the measurement of length, mass and time vary over a wide range, yet there is fairly a small number of principles which can be applied in order to measure and understood them. Okay, now physics is related to science. Next point is फिजिक्स इज रिलेटेड टू अवर साइंस. फिजिक्स जो है वो हमारे पास रिलेटेड है अलग अलग तरीके से साइंस में. जैसे फिजिक्स का रिलेशन हमारे पास, एक सबसे पहले तो फिजिक्स जो रिलेटेड है वो किसके साथ है. फर्स्ट इज फिजिक्स इज रिलेशन टू मैथमेटिक्स. Second, physics is a relation to chemistry. Third, physics is a relation to biological science. Okay, then first point, physics is a relation to the The first point is physics is relation to mathematics. How to physics related mathematics? Physics is a quantitative science. Physics is a quantitative science. The theory in physics make use to various mathematical concepts, and it has provided to the most powerful tools in the development of theoretical physics. Okay, relation to chemistry. Study of structure of an atom, radioactivity, X-rays diffraction is the relation of the chemistry, and the biological science also be benefited by the advancement in physics. Optical microscope is found to be of immense use in the study of biology. The electron microscope has made it possible to see even the structure of a cell. Okay, and many other science related to physics. Physics is related to astronomy. Physics is related to other science, just like meteorology, seismology, and geology. Therefore, the physics is very important part in our life. Physics is in relation to the technology. How to physics? Physics in relation to technology. How to physics in relation to technology? Technology is the application of science in general, and physics is the particular for particle purpose. The discovery of electromagnetic induction by Faraday can be regarded as one of those great scientific discoveries which have not only benefited the common man but have formed the basis of the technology. A few advancements made in technology on the basis of the physics. Many of the points. Study of the lever system has helped to design a large number of very useful machines. Study of the satellites has made it possible to forecast weather very accurately. Conversion of heat energy into mechanical work has led to use design engines. Discoveries of vacuum tubes had led to wireless communication and to the design of radio and television. Now the progress in the field of semiconductors has provided an altogether new dimensions to the technology in this field. Discovery of X-rays has been found to be immense use in medical science whenever it is used to diagnose various types of disease. X-rays are also called used in the radiotherapy. X-rays has provided to be the great importance in industries and research. Many other technologies such as sonar, aeroplane, rocket propulsion, hydroelectric power, heat engine and refrigerator, electric generator, cyclotron, nuclear reactor, laser. There are many relation of technology in this branch of physics. And the next point is physics in relation to our society. How to physics in relation to our society? The fate of science society is intimately linked for physics. It is because whatever is thought or discovered in physics, it immediately affected the society. Every theory which meant to labor and research, which excited acuteness and sustains perseverance, is again to science for its labor and research which leads to discoveries. Okay, Isaac Newton said nature is pleased with simplicity and affected not a pump of superfluous cause. Pluto is said astronomy compels the soul of look upwards and leads us from this world to another. Albert Einstein said the most incompressible thing about the world is that it is incompressible. That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind, is said to be Neil Armstrong. Okay, students, then relation in our society is the very important role for physics in our society. Next point is force in nature. There are main four forces in our nature. Number one, gravitational force. You know that in class 9th we will study about what is the gravitational force. F equals to G m upon r square, where m is the mass of the earth and small m is the mass of any small particle. R is the distance between the particle and the earth. Okay, F is the force, G is the gravitational constant. Next force is electromagnetic force. Electromagnetic force, it is the force which between two charges. F equals to K q1 q2 upon r square, where q1 and q2 are 2-point charge, r is the distance, k is the constant, and the value of k is 9 into 10 to power k equals to 9 into 10 to power 9, g equals to 6.67 into 10 to power minus 11. Okay, now next point is the weak force, and fourth is the nuclear force. Nuclear force, weak force and nuclear force, these are four forces in our nature. Weak force, the leptons are the class of elementary particles and include electrons, muons, neutrons and their antiparticles. Okay students, weak force are short range for 10 to power minus 15 meter. Okay, it is the force about 10 to power 25 times. Weak force is 10 to power 25 times greater than gravitational force. In weak interaction, neutrino acts to the field particles. And the next is nuclear force. It is inversely with some higher power of distance. It is basically an attractive force, and the oversized short range force is operate only for the nucleus about to 10 to power minus 15 meter. Okay, the pi meson is the field particle. Pi meson is the field particle, and it is the strongest 10 to power 38 times gravitational force. 10 to power 38 times stronger than the gravitational force. It is non-central force. Okay students, now the relation between all of force is F gravitational ratio F weak ratio F electromagnetic ratio F nuclear equals to 1 ratio 10 to power 25 ratio 10 to power 36 ratio 10 to power 38 is the relation between four forces. Now the next point is nature of physical laws. We have different physical laws. Main three physical laws: law of conservation of linear momentum, laws of conservation of linear momentum, second, laws of conservation of energy, and third is laws of conservation of angular momentum. laws of conservation of linear momentum, laws of conservation of energy, and laws of conservation of angular momentum. Laws of conservation of linear momentum is state that if no external force act on the system, the linear momentum of a system remains constant. Then it can says about P1 plus P2 equals to constant. Okay, P1 plus P2 equals to constant. Law of conservation of linear momentum can be obtained from Newton's third law of motion. It follows from the more general principle called homogeneity of space or homogeneity principle. Example of law of conservation of linear momentum in daily life. When a bullet is fired from a gun, the recoil of the gun can be explained on the basis of the law of conservation of linear momentum. When heavy nucleus of a rest distracts into two similar nuclei, the products move in opposite direction, obeying the law of conservation of linear momentum. Second point, law of conservation of energy is state that energy can neither be created nor be destroyed. However, it may change from one form to another. The law of conservation of energy follows from the work energy theorem. It can be obtained from more general principle called homogeneity of flow of time. Times flow uniformly. Example of the conservation: when a body falls from freely under gravity, its mechanical energy remains constant throughout its motion. When a simple pendulum is made to vibrate, its mechanical energy remains the same throughout its motion between its two extreme positions. And Einstein mass energy equivalence relation is called energy conservation of energy, E equals to mc square. Is give the theory of the Einstein. Okay, now the last conservation of angular momentum is states that if no external torque act on a system, then the angular momentum of the system always remains constant. If a single body of a system of bodies having momentum of inertia, I is the rotating about an axis and omega is the angular velocity, I is the rotating about an axis, angular momentum omega, then I omega equals to constant. I omega equals to constant. Okay, students. Now, in this chapter, we have discussed nature of physical laws, main three laws, main the relation of our society, forces in nature, and what is the physics, relation between the physics in our science, excitement of physics, physics in relation to technology, physical world. Okay, thank you.